So one of the things I enjoy, now we're going to talk not about spine surgery right now, we're going to talk about some things I enjoy and skills I'm trying to hone. One of them is sporting clay shooting. You know, I thought it was really easy, but it's really hard and it's really fun. It's very precision. The different clays, and there are several different types of clays in different sizes and shapes that fly through the air at different speeds and velocities. Some come towards you, some go away. Sometimes they're crossing, and you have to shoot one and shoot the other one at the sporting clay club. It's really fun, and it's a lot harder than I thought, so I'm working on that, trying to get a lot better at it. The other thing I like to do is I do long-range target shooting with my rifle. I have a .338 Lapua Magnum Accuracy International with a Schmidt & Bender scope, and I like to shoot about 800 meters to 1,000 meters. It's really, really tough to do because of wind. Judging the wind is tricky, but it's certainly a lot of fun and really challenging.